In this video, I'll guide you through how to update Protonmail. We'll focus on changing your display name and email signature step by step so that your messages look exactly the way you want them to when they arrive in someone's inbox. First, open your web browser and go to protonmail.com. If you're not already signed in, log in with your Protonmail account. Make sure you're on the main inbox screen before moving on. It can help to maximize your browser window so everything in the interface is easy to see. Once you're in your inbox, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a small gear icon which represents your settings. Go ahead and click on that gear. This opens a quick settings panel that gives you fast access to commonly used options. For what we're doing today, though, we need the full settings area, not just the quick view. Inside that panel, find and click the option labeled All Settings. This will take you to the complete settings dashboard for your Protonmail account. It may take a second to load, especially if your connection is a bit slow, so just wait until everything appears before continuing. Once it's loaded, you'll notice several sections and categories along the side or top, depending on your layout. Now, look for the section called Identity and Addresses. This is where Protonmail lets you control how you appear to other people when you send emails. Click on Identity and Addresses to open that page. Here you'll see your email addresses along with fields for your display name and your signature. Let's start with the display name. This is the name that shows up in the From field when someone receives an email from you. Click into the display name field, delete what's there if you need to, and type the name you'd like people to see. This could be your full name, just your first name, or a professional variation depending on how you use your account. Take a moment to double check the spelling and capitalization because this is something your contacts will see every time you email them. Next, move down to the signature area. Your signature is the text that automatically appears at the bottom of every email you send. Click into the signature box and either edit the existing text or type a new one. You might want to include your name, job title, website, or a short closing phrase. Keep it clear and concise so it looks clean in your messages. If Protonmail shows you a preview, use that to see how your signature will appear to recipients. If you have more than one address under your account, make sure you're editing the identity and signature for the correct address. Each one can have its own display name and signature, so it's worth confirming you're on the right line before saving. Once you're happy with your display name and your signature, look for the button labeled Update. This is what actually saves your changes. Click on Update and wait a moment for Protonmail to confirm the changes have been applied. After that, your updated display name and signature will be used for any new emails you send. That's all you need to do to update Protonmail's identity and address settings, including your display name and signature.